I'm Amy. Welcome back. If you're planning to install the smart grill lock or you're looking for the combo lock, right? You must finish my video. First, I'm going to introduce you the Abrain latest smart grill lock G8, and I will tell you what is the differences between the first generation and what has been upgraded. Number 2, look at my right hand side. All these are other smart grill lock you can find in the market. So I'm going to do the smart grill lock comparison for you. Let's start on the first method. Okay, in front of me here, right? This one is our first generation 011DR, and then this one is our second generation G8. For your info, Abrain actually is the first who introduced the smart grill lock, which have the double fingerprint lock panel in the market. And we are proud to say this one is our first design. We designed for the Malaysia grill door in the year 2019. But recently, a few China brands, right, also introduced their smart grill lock in the market, and the outlook is look like the similar. Look at that. My customer also get confused. They cannot differentiate which one is Abrain. Then you see back the Abrain one. Can you differentiate? All look like the same, right? So now the new G8 redesigned to be the outstanding and re-engineered to be the last. First, for the G8 lock body, right, we already make it more taller and slimmer, and the top and the bottom, right, we add in the antique design, so make the lock is look like more beautiful, more grand, not so boring, right? Nowadays, the ceiling height for the landed house, right, and the condo is become higher, and the grill door is changed to the more bigger and more taller. So for the smart lock installed on the grill door, it look like being too small. And also, I found some customer feedback when the guests coming, right, the first sign for them, they will look the grill door look like not so balanced and not so grand. Okay, for the new G8, you make your grill door is look like more class and more grand. Second, we also already upgrade to the full digits keypad. Okay, previously we only have the 1 to 6 numbers, so the customer cannot set the password content number 7, number 8, number 9. So now you can set any password you like on the new G8. And also we already add in the Wi-Fi doorbell. So when your family and the guests coming, right, they press on the Wi-Fi doorbell, your phone will receive the notification immediately, and then you can use the phone to help them remote unlock the door. Very easy, right? Number 3, we also re-engineered the inner structure, right, to be the stronger and to be the last. You see the handle? As you know, right, the grill door always have the slamming issue. Sometimes we close it very heavily, sometimes caused by the wind, sometimes it's by your kids. So now we already reinforce the handle clutch mechanism. Previously it's using the single spoke release clutch. Now we already upgrade to the double spoke. So it's better in the resist impact. And also, we already enlarged the screw inside here. So for the front panel and the rear panel, right, can be tightly fixed at your grill door. So this is more safer in terms of the security. So this is all about our new G8. So we're going to start the part 2, start the comparison for all the smart grill lock.
The comparison of smart grill lock.
Let's start the smart grill lock comparison. Okay, we want to see what is the differences for all the China brand smart grill lock with the Abrain. So I'm going to use the first generation 011DR to do the comparison. I think should be more fair, right? Okay, so we see the outlook first.
Smart lock outlook.
Wow, all look like the same, right? Okay, but for this one here we have the Johor X60, and then this one is a Latin F2, and then this one is a Lockheed C20. As you can see, right, for the smart lock, the most important is a fingerprint sensor. Every here have the steel ring. You can see it, right? Actually, the steel ring is detect your finger, and then it will tell the fingerprint sensor to work, to recognize your fingerprint. But for the Abrain one, right, don't have. Okay, this one is our German S-Touch fingerprint sensor. It is more responsive and precise, so it can very fast to read the fingerprint. Okay, let's test the other one. Oh, this one okay, fast. Okay, F2 is a bit slow response. Okay, for this one, still okay lah for the fingerprint sensor. Okay, next we see the handle. Okay, you can see the handle have the difference. You can differentiate it, right? All this is the same. And then for the Abrain one is an ergonomic handle. It will make you comfortable when you hold it and unlock the grill door. Okay, the next is we see all the overall outlook. For here, I have put the front panel and the back panel already on the table. So this one is X60. Okay, this one is a battery cover, plastic battery cover. Okay, and then the F2. Wow, this one very terrible because this one is a battery cover. Just stick on it and crimping outside. Okay, and then for the Abrain, overall, right, this one is very fit and very nice on the smart lock body because it is the fully stainless steel, same as the lock body. Okay, so
Smart lock functions.
for the grill door lock, right, because the grill door design, it must use the dual fingerprint only can function. So how to register? Let's see on the Abrain first. Okay, so the Abrain one, right, this black box actually is from here. This one is a module. Okay, so all the fingerprint sensor, the card reader, and the keypad all in one already. The most powerful, right? Both can synchronization. How to synchronize? Let me show you. Now I test my finger, right? Cannot access. On the back also same. So I'm going to register the first fingerprint. Okay, so let's test it.
Verification completed.
From here, of course, I can unlock it lah. But how about the other side?
Verification completed.
I can unlock it also because both sides just now already do the synchronization, so my finger can auto read at the other side. Okay, we test for other. Okay, we see the S60 first. Okay, you see the S60, right? Definitely a different system and different mainboard. Because from the front here, right, you can use the finger, you can use the keypad, you can use the card. But for the back panel, only have the fingerprint sensor. One more thing is, every time I do the enroll, right, I need to use the apps. You can see here, have the front and the back. From here, I need to do the registration. I only can use the smart lock. So it's so troublesome. We skip it. We go to the Lading F2. Wow, Lading F2, right? The front and the back panel is similar, same as the Abrain. Okay, let's test for the fingerprint sensor. Okay, I can unlock from the front panel, but how about the back panel? Cannot, which means I need to log in the menu and redo again. Now I only can unlock for this side. So which means, right, most of them is using the two standalone mainboard linked together, and the front and the back is not synchronized. So you have to do the registration for 2 times. Okay, for this one also the same lah. You can hear the sound.
Waterproof features.
Waterproof feature. All of this smart grill lock, right, mentioned to you can install at the outdoor gate and totally no awning. The smart grill lock still can function. But I'm going to open the inner structure, show you, prove to you if it can waterproof. So let's see the Abrain first. Okay, still same. This one, the black box actually is from here. Okay, all the mainboard fingerprint sensor all in one already, and the module is sealed. Totally is a seal. Even the in between cable, right, is a waterproof cable also. Okay, how about the others? Okay, this one we see the cable first. You see all cable here, right? This is not waterproof cable. Okay, and then we see the S60 first. Well, once I turn it right, you can see very clearly the battery is inside here. And the front panel also same. The mainboard is exposed. Okay, for the F2, okay, we see the other side. Well, the mainboard is exposed, but I am going to remove the plate and show you the inner structure. Okay, you can see this one is unfinished cutting edge. I don't know how can protect from the water lah. Okay, how about this? This one I also need to remove the plate. Okay, this one is more terrible. As you can see, right, this one is all the silicone seal by hand. Okay, so can waterproof or not? This one is have to judge by you. I already show all the inner structure. I open the plate to show you already. So this is a comparison for all the smart door lock we have in the market. So I hope it can help you. For all these smart door lock, right, from the China one, right, actually we also have selling. If you are the price conscious consumer, or you not so care about the function, right, not emphasize about the feature and the function, you can go for it, because the price is definitely low compared with the Abrain. For the Abrain, of course the price is higher, because right, this is the best choice in terms
Finally,
in the product quality. No matter the best fingerprint sensor, the unique waterproof module, and the best feature, moreover, the Abrain is provide you 3 years manufacturer warranty. So my sharing is under here. If you want to upgrade your house to the keyless, right, or you're looking for the smart lock, remember to find me. I'm Amy. So see you next time. Bye.